rains last night caused significant damage to the newly designed membrane shade at the IGI airport in Delhi. This design, which was made as part of a safety upgrade after a precious upgrade coming in, has now led to this. Take a look at the visuals on your screens. This is from the new update that the Delhi airport got at a spell of rains, and it came crashing down like a pack of cards. This design, which was made as part of a safety upgrade after a previous heavy structure had collapsed and resulted in a fatality last year, has now collapsed. So look at the irony. This was in fact brought in because of a safety upgrade. This was intended to be a safety upgrade. But look at how this entire structure comes collapsing within just a few seconds. And imagine, if there was any vehicle, if there were individuals, and you can see, in fact, people in these vehicles, and this structure could have come crashing down on them. We're awaiting a detail on or more updates on whether there have been any injuries reported or not. But take a look at what happened. Let's take a look at this moment and imagine this is the Delhi airport, one of the busiest airports in the country and the world. And this is how your safety has been compromised. Imagine you are here, one of the vehicles here, waiting to pick up a relative or perhaps to catch a flight. And suddenly this structure, which, believe it or not, has been installed as a safety structure. That's what it was intended to do. It was made as part of a safety upgrade, and it comes crashing down. Just a spell of rains that we saw last night, strong winds, a big storm. But look at that. Within seconds, you saw the entire structure came crashing down, and there are people here who can be seen immediately rushing to safety from there. But there are vehicles. So imagine if there was somebody in these vehicles, then this entire structure comes falling on them. There could be serious injuries. There could be fatalities as well. So this is a serious lapse, especially considering that a similar incident had been reported last year as well. This sparks a lot of concerns. Believe it or not, this heavy structure had been put in place as a safety upgrade, and yet it came collapsing. It came crashing down like a pack of cards. Let's go across to my colleague Priyank, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details of the impact that it has had. Priyank, this is extremely unfortunate. It had been put in place as part of a safety upgrade, and after just a spell of rains, it came crashing down. This is one of the busiest airports in the entire country. This is in the national capital. What are the details? Any injuries or fatalities reported?
No, Pratibha. Fortunately, no one has been injured in this particular incident. Let me tell you to our viewers that this particular shade was replaced with a heavy concrete structure, which had resulted taking life of one car driver who was waiting at the IGI airport last year, and because of the heavy rainfall, the structure collapsed, and it was a very high-speed wind which also caused major damage. Replacing to that, there were very big technical team of experts who were roped in so that a proper structure can be made, which can reduce the number of injuries in this kind of situation. Last night, the total number of total measurement of the rainfall was 186.4 mm, and within an hour, the 84.4 mm rainfall happened in the national capital.
There's been a clear damage to the structure. Priyank, just a moment.